One of the major challenges in using metal 3D printing is setup for parts processing. In many cases, parts produced by metal 3D printers require parts machining. One of the cases with conventional metal 3D printers, the workpiece is measured using a CMM and the coordinator established individually. This process can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. But here is the solution. It is Matsuura's hybrid metal 3D printer, LUMEX. What makes LUMEX advantage is its built-in spindle. This enables seamless integration of milling and laser sintering in a single setup. This spindle greatly simplifies those tedious setups for parts processing. Because LUMEX has a spindle, it can cut reference surface during the build process itself. This capability was used to create this oil-catch tank for motorcycle racing. Conventionally, this component was assembled from multiple parts, but thanks to LUMEX, it can now be fabricated as a single piece, achieving both weight reduction and high rigidity. These ports required parts machining. To address this, reference blocks were printed on the base plate using LUMEX, which was then used as a reference when finishing the part on the machining center. Having a reference surface makes post-processing setup much easier. Once the part is mounted on a 5-axis machining center, all you need to do is use the touch probe feature to align it. Using the reference surface drastically reduces the setup time. The key to creating this reference surface lies in the pin cushion function. This function calibrates the laser coordinate system on the table to match the milling coordinate system, enabling highly accurate builds. First, a CCD camera mounted next to the spindle reads the intersection point drawn by the laser. Then the system checks if the laser trajectory geometrically aligns with the milling table's coordinate system. Any discrepancy is corrected by adjusting the optical parameters. Accuracy of building directly translates into part quality. The dimensional accuracy of this completed part is plus minus 0.25 mm. Even when building 4 products and 8 test pieces on a single table, LUMEX enables high precision manufacturing with minimal dimensional deviation across the entire table. As you've seen, LUMEX's built-in spindle allows for accurate printing and simultaneous cutting of precise reference surfaces. Why not leverage LUMEX to solve your current metal 3D printing challenges? Try our contract manufacturing services first and experience the power of LUMEX for yourself.